Let me fix my hair. Guys, welcome so much back to this channel. You need to pull up your chair. You need to bring your coffee or your juice because today I will be sharing some information, amazing information with you guys. This video is long overdue. It is a requested video, but you know what, before we get into doing this video, I have to ask you of three things. Number one thing is to do not skip the ads that you see that shows up when you're watching the video. Why? Because you guys are not paying me to do this video, especially when I say that this video is long overdue. It's requested video from one of my amazing followers and subscribers. This is the only way I ask for you to pay me back. It's not to skip the ads, to leave your thoughts and your comments, to share the video, because you know, YouTubers, specifically, let me talk about myself. It took me a whole lot of time. It took me over 1 month to do this research, to come here, to sit down today. So if you really love me and want to appreciate the time that I put into doing this video, all I ask for you is to not to skip the ads, watch the entire video, leave your thoughts and comments. Some people are always in a hurry when they come to channels. Okay, you talk too much, just get straight to the point. If you don't like a specific channel, you are very free to hop over to the next channel if you don't have patience. Because if it takes a YouTuber 1 day, 2 days, 1 month, 2 months, 2 weeks to do a research, it doesn't cost you anything than to get information, because this is very educational. The next thing I want to ask of you is, if you're not subscribed, please do me a favor, click that red button, subscribe. This is the least that you can do, and when you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. It's free. I don't charge anybody any money to come here and watch the video. Rather, I give you my time. Okay, so let's move over to glutathione. My book is kind of full. I have been reading and doing lots of research. So we are going to cover what is glutathione. We are going to cover the benefits of glutathione. We are going to tell you how, where you can find glutathione, and I will share with you the types of glutathione, and I will share with you some celebrities who have done glutathione IV, because today we are really focusing on glutathione IV, and I will share the cost of glutathione IV with you, and I will share the disadvantages of glutathione, and I will also tell you personally my own opinion about glutathione. So let's get right into doing this, into sharing this information. First of all, what is glutathione? So I love really to do my research very well. So according to WebMD, glutathione acts as an important antioxidant in your body. It means it helps combat free radicals. Those are molecules that can damage your body's cells. Glutathione plays a role in many chemicals reactions in your body. It also helps to detoxify chemicals, including some that your body creates naturally. And then it goes over here on the next one, because this is very lengthy. It moves over. Glutathione plays a role in many chemical reactions in your body. It also helps detoxify chemicals, including some that your body creates naturally, as well as pollution and drugs. Your supply of glutathione seems to decrease as you get older, possibly because your body can't create as much. Lower glutathione levels appear to go hand in hand with poorer health. For instance, lower levels may help may play a role in many conditions that are more likely to develop in older people. Now, let's move over. It also says that we are born with glutathione. Glutathione is the chemical, the antioxidant that is being produced in our body by the liver. And then when we get older, the glutathione seems to decrease. So we can also get glutathione from fruits and vegetables. Let's move over to the advantages of glutathione. Glutathione can be used to prevent aging. It also can be used to prevent cancer. It helps to boost our heart. It helps in memory loss, and it helps to maintain body immune system. So these are the advantages of glutathione. Now, okay, there are so many kinds of glutathione. They have the topical glutathione, and then the topical means the cream, and then there are tablets, and then there are IVs. And IV is the one that is considered to be very, very effective. As a matter of fact, skin bleaching or skin lightening is the disadvantage of glutathione. When you use a lot of glutathione tablets in your system to boost your immune system, it will end up bleaching your skin. But on the contrary, so many people use that, just go straight for the IV because they want to lighten their skin and even to really lighten their skin. So glutathione IV is the most effective way to bleach and lighten your skin. So people, I did research. Even here that I live in Toronto, I found a clinic where they can give. So many clinics offer glutathione IV just to bleach and lighten up their skin. And also what glutathione does is that it destroys the cells that is responsible for making the melanin in your skin. Now let's look at what the study has to say about glutathione as well. So here is what the study has to say about the glutathione IV. IV drips of glutathione, a powerhouse antioxidant naturally found in your body. Its most notable side effect, however, is lightening the skin by deactivating the enzyme tyrosine, which helps to produce melanin. So it also says, the next one says, IV glutathione therapy is all about brightening your skin from the inside with glutathione and vitamin C injected into your bloodstream via a small butterfly needle. IV therapy allows for this active ingredient to go directly into the bloodstream and hence absorb much more effectively than taking orally. So glutathione IV is what a lot of people are doing to get their skin bleached out without having dark knuckles, any black patches or dark patches on their skin. They go for glutathione IV. So celebrities who have also used glutathione. I am not sure if this is what Bobrisky used, but this is at least the before and after what glutathione can really do for you. In Tokemakinwa's about Tokemakinwa, the people that read her book, I didn't read the book, but I was meant to understand according to the research that Tokemakinwa, one of the Nigerian popular celebrities, socialites, entrepreneur. You gotta pay me for promoting you here. Talking about that she also used glutathione IV according to the book that she released. So let's move over to the cost of glutathione, and then after the cost, I will tell you the side effects of glutathione. So the cost, the bag of IV differs from size to size and depends on your body size and really how much and really how much you really want to bleach out your skin. So some bags go from, the smallest bag goes from $150 to $300. This is the size of the IV when you're talking about infusing. Now, glutathione is not permanent because you need to keep on repeating that to maintain the skin bleaching or the whitening of your skin from inside to outside. Now, let me run down the side effects of glutathione with you guys. The side effects of glutathione is first of all septics, which means infection. Blood disease, you can contaminate, you can get blood disease by using glutathione. Liver dysfunctional, because really your liver is where the glutathione is being produced, and if you go to joke around with your liver to try to mess it up, it can lead to liver dysfunction, and you will lose also skin strength. Your skin will begin to thin out after some time. And then also you have to be concerned about getting the bad uh, getting the bad quality of glutathione, because there are so many things online and people go and they grab anything. And also, for some people to maintain the glutathione, they are being taught on how to administer that glutathione on their own at home through injectables or IV. You can destroy something in your blood cells, like your vein. You can destroy your blood cells by doing that. Also, glutathione, when your skin is very thin, because you have obviously destroyed the melanin in your skin, you are much prone to having sun damage on your skin because it is considered very thin. And then what else do we have to talk about here? So, how do I feel about glutathione? I don't understand why people that are so blessed with melanin popping. I haven't heard about melanin IV. You cannot possibly buy melanin. You can only buy it temporary, very short term, by using the tan beds. The white people or the light skinned people wants to have their skin tanned just for a little short time, and then it bounces back. For this melanin popping, I'm telling you, it is very priceless. Yeah, you want to be light skinned for now, you're in your 20s and 30s and 40s. Do you ever think what's really going to happen to you when you get to your 50s, your 60s, your 70s? Oh my God, you're really going to really look like a ghost, because how are you going to keep on maintaining this? Hello, I'm not in for this. Yeah. So hopefully I have covered everything that you really want me to talk about glutathione. So guys, thank you so much for your time and thank you for watching. And remember, Kartia Velino loves you guys. Share this video, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget that I love you from the bottom of my heart. Bye.